This is an excerpt from Peter Ralston's new book, Ending Unnecessary Suffering, coming out in March of 2025. It might seem like our perspectives are not really all that important to our experience of actions, but I suggest that isn't so. How we hold things determines our entire relationship to life. As a very minor example, I remember seeing a commercial once that was trying to be inspirational. From my perspective, I thought they got it completely wrong. Clearly, they were catering to people's emotional sense of fantasy. Their assertion was, why is the American dream called a dream and not a plan or a goal? Then they pushed the idea that in a dream you can imagine all sorts of things in an unlimited way. True, but they are missing the point. In my view, a plan and goal would be a much better option. Why? Because plan and goal are conceptual action, but dream evokes only conceptual activity. Regardless of what is imagined, committing to a plan or goal is far more powerful and realistic. The dream is a fantasy and is not about taking action that makes a difference, and also only creates disappointment and dissatisfaction, because it is focusing on what isn't, without it being grounded in committed action. My vote would be for the American plan and goal, not the dream. Life is 10% what happens to you, and 90% how you react to it. Charles R. Swindoll. Ending Unnecessary Suffering is coming out in March of 2025. To pre-order now, click the link in the description.